In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a handy shortcut right on your desktop. This will take you directly to your computer's settings with just a simple click. It's a quick and efficient way to streamline how you access your settings, especially if you find yourself digging through your computer menus far too often. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your desktop. Simply minimize any open windows that might be cluttering your view until you see your clean desktop space. Once you're there, find an area on your screen without any icons and hover your mouse over it. Now right-click on this spot to open a context menu. This menu will provide you with several options, but for now, direct your attention to the option that says New. After selecting New, you'll be presented with another menu. Here you need to find and click on Shortcut. Doing this will open a window that will guide you through the shortcut creation process. This is where we'll set things up to create a convenient access point to your settings. In the window that popped up, you'll see an empty field prompting you to type a location. This is where you'll specify what the shortcut will actually open. For our task, you'll want to type in mes as settings. This string acts as a command to open the settings menu directly from your desktop. It's a nifty trick that can save a bit of time, especially if you find yourself frequently adjusting settings on your computer. After entering the command, go ahead and click Next. This will take you to another step in the process where you'll need to provide a name for your new shortcut. This name is what you'll see under the icon on your desktop, so it's a good idea to choose something clear and recognizable. For this example, let's keep it simple and name it Settings. This way, it's immediately apparent what the shortcut is for, helping you maintain a tidy and intuitive digital workspace. Once you've entered the name, just click Finish, and there you have it. Your new shortcut will appear on your desktop, ready to use. The icon you see is your gateway to quickly opening your settings. From now on, adjusting your system will just be a double click away, and there you go. With just a few simple steps, you've added a helpful shortcut to your desktop. It's a small change, but one that greatly enhances the accessibility of your system settings. Feel free to repeat these steps to create other shortcuts that serve your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip adds a bit of ease and efficiency to your day.